Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Spectrum router. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, step one is locate the reset button. So for Wi-Fi 6 or 6E models, find the reset button on the back of the router. It typically has two arrows forming a circle with the word reset next to it. You can see in this diagram here, in these diagrams here. And for Wi-Fi models, look for a small pinhole labeled reset on the back of the router, which is here, usually located below the password sticker. Now we need to go ahead and perform the reset, so using a tool. So insert a paperclip or a similar tool into the reset button pinhole, press and hold the reset button for about 30 seconds, release after 30 seconds. Now the router will begin the reset process, which may take several minutes. During this time, the lights on the router will likely turn off and then back on as it reboots. Then from here, we need to go ahead and reconfigure your router. So once the reset is complete, your router will return to its factory default settings. You need to reconfigure your network settings, including setting a new Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. These default settings can typically be found on a sticker on the back of the router.